Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Jake. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Do you have a moment to talk?
Sure. What's up?
I wanted to tell you something. It's been on my mind for a while.
Oh, what is it?
Well, we've been friends for a long time, right?
Yes, we have. Since we were kids.
And I really enjoy spending time with you. You make me happy.
That's sweet, Jake. I enjoy spending time with you too.
The thing is, I think I like you, not just as a friend.
You do?
Yes, I like you a lot. I think about you all the time.
Wow, Jake. I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. I just wanted to be honest with you.
I appreciate that. It means a lot.
Do you feel the same way? Even a little?
Well, to be honest, I have liked you for a long time too.
Really? You do?
Yes, I was just too scared to say anything.
I'm glad we talked about this. I feel so much better now.
Me too. So, what happens next?
Maybe we can go on a date? Just the two of us.
I would like that.
Great. How about this weekend?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
I can't wait. It's going to be fun.
Me too. I'm really looking forward to it.
Let's make it a special day. We can go to the park, have a picnic, and talk.
That sounds wonderful. I love picnics.
And after that, we can watch a movie. Maybe a romantic one?
I love romantic movies. It's a date.
I promise it will be a day to remember.
I'm sure it will be. I'm so happy right now.
Me too, Emma.
So, what movie should we watch?
How about The Notebook? It's one of my favorites.
I love that movie. It's so sweet.
Perfect. We'll watch it together.
I can't wait, Jake. This is going to be amazing.
Yes, it will be. I'm so glad I told you how I feel.
Me too. I'm glad you were brave enough to say it.
It's because you mean so much to me.
You mean a lot to me too, Jake.
So, are we officially a couple now?
I guess we are. It feels nice to say that.
It does. I'm really excited about us.
Me too. I think we're going to be very happy together.
I think so too. I promise to always be there for you.
And promise to be there for you too.
This is the start of something beautiful.
Yes, it is. I'm so glad we talked today.
Me too, Emma. This is just the beginning.
Yes, the beginning of our story.
A love story.
Our love story.
I like the sound of that.
Me too, Jake. Me too.
Goodbye, Emma.
Goodbye.
Moment. Meaning, a very brief period of time. Example. She paused for a moment to catch her breath before continuing up the hill. Honest. Meaning, truthful and sincere. Example. He was honest about his feelings, even though it was hard to admit. Appreciate. Meaning, to be grateful or thankful for. Example. I really appreciate your help with the project. I couldn't have done it without you. Scared. Meaning, feeling fear or anxiety. Example. The loud thunderstorm made the little boy feel scared. Date. Meaning, an appointment to meet at a specified time, especially a social engagement with someone one is romantically interested in. Example. They decided to go to a movie for their first date. Romantic. Meaning, conducive to or characterized by the expression of love. Example. The couple enjoyed a romantic dinner by candlelight. Officially. Meaning, in a formal and public way. Example. The park was officially opened by the mayor last Saturday. Memories. Meaning, the mental capacity or faculty of retaining and reviving facts, events, impressions, etc. Example. She cherished the memories of her childhood spent in the countryside. Glad. Meaning, feeling pleasure, joy, or happiness, pleased. Example. I'm glad you could come to the party. It's great to see you. Beginning. Meaning, the point in time or space at which something starts. Example. The beginning of the book was slow, but it got more exciting later on.